One of the processes of DP is to kind of highlight this point that I'm going to work on. As you rightly put out, a lot of the feedback informed treatment, different apps can help you with that, with the aggregate results. And now there's going to be some people watching this like, aggregate? What's the aggregate stuff that you're
Mm.
talking about, right?
Yeah,
And now there's quite a few there, but maybe you could just mention uh, three of those results that come up that could be something that you could work on as a therapist.
right. Well, I mean, for example, according to the benchmarks, it shows you the aggregate results will compare what's happening with this client. So I'll use it, one client at a time. Are
Mm,
they on track according to the benchmarks of clients around the world whose therapists have been tracking it? If they come in with this outcome rating scale in session one, are they on track? Measured against, all the clients around the world and the therapists have been using this.
mm,
So that's where aggregate comes in on that kind of in that way. Secondly, it's kind of comparing, it helps me compare, see patterns where if I've had clients come in with these kind of scores in that
mm,
ballpark in outcome rating scale, and they've tracked in this way, see patterns about my own work, aggregate, comparing this client with the history of the clients that I've had. So
mm,
in that way, um, so that's the second thing. But yeah, just the international benchmarks just keep us on track with
mm,
this is what the data has been showing, the meta-analytic data for now almost 25 years, that
mm,
if you have these type of scores, you're going to be, on track, which the apps show you is in the green zone, so you're on track with
yeah.
this client, or they're in the yellow zone. They pay attention, they may be at risk of dropping out or not improving, or they're in the red zone and this isn't really progressing, and we need to keep having conversations with them because that's what the data has been showing over this amount of time, that doing what you're doing in this way, if you keep doing this, is not going to get any better.
Yeah.
So we really keep having to ask the client what needs to be added, what needs to be changed,
Mm.
what else needs to happen. So, yeah, I think it's a roundabout way of answering what you've asked.
It's a great answer. Thank you, Vivian.